Hello, P5 students. Welcome again in our Math 5 class, and this is Miss Claire. We are now on chapter 16, and it talks about ratio. Are you familiar with this lesson? Ratio is connected with the lesson about proportion. I know that you have encountered before proportion in your Math 4 class. So in this video, we will also review about proportion. In this video, you will learn Lesson 1, Simple Ratio. The learning objectives for this lesson are to recognize proportions and to interpret ratios A to B and B to A. Okay, P5, are you ready? Come on, let's get started. Okay, P5, let's review first about proportion. I have here a picture of a bead bracelet. Okay, how many beads are there in this picture? We have 15 beads. It is consist of purple and black beads. Now look at the pattern of the purple and the black beads. Okay, take a look. So we have two purple beads, and we have three black beads. So as you notice, children, that in our pattern, we always have two purple, three black, two purple, and we have three black beads. So the pattern of the number of purple and black beads never change. It means it is what we call proportion. It is balance. Even though we will add more purple and black beads, the number still the same. So this is what we call proportion. The number of purple beads is proportional or proportion to the number of black beads. So what if, children, if we have 20 purple beads, how many black beads do you think we will put here if we already have 20 purple beads? If you know the answer, you can share that during our Zoom meeting. Okay, now let's move on. Take a look here. Let's study about ratio. So what is ratio? Ratio is a relationship between two quantities. For example, I have here a plate, and it consists of a red apple and green apples. So I have one red and 4 green apples. So when we say ratio, it is a relationship between two quantities. So if we were going to find the ratio of a red apple to the green apples, we will say that the ratio is 1 to 4. 1 to 4. It means 1 red, 4 green apples. How about the ratio of the green apples to the red apple? That is 4 to 1, because we have 4 green and 1 red. So look at the difference. We will use first 1 because we mentioned the red apple first. On the second one, we will use 4 because we mentioned first the green apples. So this symbol, these two dots, we call it colon. And when we read this one, we read it as 2. So we will read as 1 to 4 or 4 to 1. Another example. Okay. I have here a bottle. The capacity is 5 liters. I have here a container box. The capacity is 20 liters. Now again, the ratio means the relationship between these two quantities. So if we are going to find the ratio of the bottle to the capacity of the container box, we will say that the ratio of the capacity of the bottle to the capacity of container box is 5 to 20. On the other hand, the ratio of the capacity of the container box to the capacity of bottle is 20 to 5. As you observe, we did not put letters, the L symbol here, because children, ratio has no unit of measure. We will just simply write the numbers. So if we mention first the bottle, so we will start with the 5. Then the ratio is 5 to 20. Then container box to the bottle, 20 to 5. So that's how to read or find the ratio of two given numbers or quantities. Another example, Hannah prepared 3 trays of teapots and 4 trays of teacups. So we have 3 trays of pots and 4 trays of teacups. Now children, what do you notice about the number of pots and cups on each tray? Yes, each tray consists of 3 pots. The same with cups. So we have 3 cups and we have 3 pots. So children, we can simply say that one tray is 1 unit or simply say 1. Same with the cups. So if we are going to find the ratio of the number of teapots to the number of teacups, we have 3 to 4 because we have 3 trays of pots and 4 cups. How about the ratio of the number of teacups to the number of teapots? Yes, that is 4 to 3 because we will mention first the cups and that is 4 and the next is the pots which is 3. Now, let's find the proportion of the number of teapots. How many teapots we have? We have 3. When we are going to find the proportion, children, it is connected with the total number of units. How many are the total? 7. So therefore, the proportion of the number of teapots in connection with the total number is 3/7. Proportion can be expressed as fraction. 3 means the number of teapots. The 7 is the total number of objects. So we have 7, 3, and 4, that is 7. So the proportion of the number of teapots is 3/7. How about the proportion of the number of teacups? Okay, if you know the answer, you can share that during our Zoom meeting. Another. The height of a man is 2/5 of the height of a tree. Now let's try to find the ratio of the height of a man to the height of a tree. So what is the height of the tree then? That is the missing number here. Then let's try to find the ratio of the height of a man to their total height. So to find the height of a tree, let's use a bar model. So we have 2 units, that is the height of a man because we have 2 parts, right? So the height of a tree means the full one, the one whole, and that is 5 units. See, man is only 2/5, so man is only until here. Therefore, the height of a tree is 5 units. So if we are going to find the ratio of the height of a man to the height of a tree, that is 2 to 5. So 2 for the man, 5 for the tree. How about the ratio of the height of a tree to the man? Yes, that is 5 to 2. Now, I have here another one. The ratio of the height of a man to their total height. Remember, height of a man to their total height. Why the answer is 2 to 7? Because the height of a man is 2. Then, to their total height, so we have 2 plus 5, that is 7. So, 2 to 7. So, the ratio of the height of a man to their total height is 2 to 7. The ratio of the height of a man to the height of a tree is 2 to 5. The ratio of the height of a tree to the height of a man, that is 5 to 2. So that is 5 to 2. This is the proportion of the height of a tree to the man. Okay. So what is the ratio of the height of a tree to their total height? Do you know the answer? How to find the ratio of the height of a tree, of this tree, to their total height? Okay, P5, if you know the answer, you can share that during our Zoom meeting. So P5, that's all about simple ratio. I will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching P5 and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a great day.